Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. What a wonderful and glorious sight today. It is still cold, although it looks sunny, but don't mind about the sun. It's quite, it can be a bit deceptive. But the fact is the weather is much better, but it's still cold. So this is a reaction video. Thank you for those that have joined our video, our channel, and our family. Thank you for the new subscribers and the old subscribers. You are highly welcome. Continue to your support of this